Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I am going to be showing you the best insurance companies in the US. So what I suggest is you can use this Dines Inns, and this website allows you to find the best insurance in your area. All you need to do is simply select your visa status. Let's just say you have full-time university or stuff like that, and then you need to select your school. So let's just say you have something in Alaska, and then select your school name. So if you search in here your school name, and let's just say this is the one, you need to click on search. It is gonna be just going through a couple of um, searches, and you can see we get this kind of insurances. So you can see we have this insurance showing up in here with all of the white, green, and blue 80 benefits and stuff like that. So if you want to simply go with any other option or any other location, you can search the same thing again, or maybe let's just say you have any other school or stuff like that. Click on search and you will be now directed. So yeah, this is a really clever and easy way to find out the best insurance in your area. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.